So the LGBT Diversity and Inclusion Conference is going really well. There's a lot of very intelligent people here having a great discussion about the issues that are facing the community. We've already covered trans issues and employment discrimination, and we're looking forward to more anti-bullying and professional diversity later on. So it's going well so far.
Well, this is a tremendous conference. It's an opportunity for the LGBT community to gather and to focus on issues which not only this community but the broader community face.
Diversity and inclusion in particular are catchphrases that people talk about, but they don't have substantive conversations about them. They don't really know what they mean, aren't really engaged in them. You know, the folks at this conference are brilliant people. So I'm sure they're going to have some fantastic ideas and some great questions and some food for thought from me. And those conversations are always really worthwhile.
It's been nice to see a lot of people who are really supportive of the LGBT community and get a chance to see some old friends and meet some new people that I went to law school with, so I'm enjoying that. And I think we're faced with a lot of really difficult issues about justice and freedom, and it's going to be interesting to see how this all works out in the coming years in the law.
The speakers so far, they've been really great. They're really breaking everything down with the law, giving it to you straight, giving you direct answers to the questions, really making sure that you understand what these cases mean and how it's going to be applied in the days to come.
Absolutely honored to be asked to participate in the discussion and be one of the speakers. I mean, it's always an honor every time somebody taps you on the shoulder and says, "No, we think that you know what you're talking about." So that's always a great honor. It's just a real pleasure to be here, you know, despite the rain and the crazy traffic this morning.
We're covering a lot of great topics like bullying, sports diversity, as well as trans issues and LGBT rights coming out of the cases from the Supreme Court currently.
I think people should attend the LGBT Diversity and Inclusion Conference because it gives you a lot of information that you may not be exposed to on a day-to-day basis. It gets you a lot of detailed, important, relevant information that's up to date that you can use in your practice and in your daily life. So
I'd say that the conference is going really well so far. And I think it's a particularly important conference just to talk about all the issues that affect the LGBT community besides marriage. I mean, marriage equality is very important, but there are so many other issues that, you know, the conference has already talked about, whether that's, you know, bullying or, you know, violence against trans women of color, and, you know, employment discrimination. So there's still a lot of issues to touch on, still a lot of issues to deal with. So it's great to be here at the conference while everybody, you know, discusses all those other issues.
Well, I think these are issues that the whole country faces, and the discussion starts here. If it doesn't start here, where does it start?